Mura guys, oh, napadyoy ka ng, unsa gani siya ka ng saging gani nga. Amo to, tundan pa na or unsa pa na? Wala oh. Mahulog ka diha ha na. Kaswimingon na siya. Kaswimingon na akong anakis. Ayaw lagi ba kay mahulog ka? No, mahulog gani karon na. Tara, sulami kay siya view diri guys. First time na ako ning naa diri guys. Tara bo. Bo na nag-piano bo. You wanna play piano? Ha?
No thanks.
Narao? Ay, kaya napatsib langgam. You know how to play piano? Nay turtle dito mo. Nay dako kang turtle dito ta. Ito ra. Bo, you wanna play piano, Bo? Come on, let me hear you. Laulamig kayo dyan siya diri guys. Hoy, daghang kayo nagpinas oh, as in. Backyard siya kong nahan. Ha? Nay turtle Bo? Ala, na isda. Ay, oh. Uy, ayaw lagi ba?
Is that alive? That.
Yeah. Oy, kuan man na oh kanang napukain puan oh. Bo, you remember these nanay flowers, Bo? Susko pastilan ginoko. Nas bukid. Para oh, nas bo. Akong mama dalang. Okay, sa farm, Bo. Remember in your farm? Dali na. Sinindot kayo diri guys. Oh, tanawa guys.
Can we go to the tree play area?
Yeah, would you mind?
Buy something.
Okay, would you mind to play piano with me?
No.
Why not? Why not, Shy Shy? Tanawang ka, oo. Nagpapaka doon sa piano. Dili na, oh. Inaatuwa dito. That's not how it's played. Go. Oh, you know how to play piano, but you don't wanna play. Why? Sige na. Okay, dito tao. Naikuhan dito. Now guys, kabalo na kung asa ko magtambay during after. Okay, nindot siya kay diri guys, relaxing. Kaya lang, kung magbasa ka, dili ka ka-study. So, just to kill your time, diri. Dili pa po siya init. Aircon siya, so enjoy kay ka diri. Okay. Tingnan siya. Okay, let's go. Experience. My God. Dere bo, tanaw ra gud bo. So nice. Let's go. More jungle diri bo. Yeah, we're gonna go this one and then go downstairs. We're gonna go past this side.
You mean the middle area?
Yeah, and then we're gonna go. We have active floor. What is an active floor?
Active. Activity floor.
Uy, wala na yung tubig diri bo. Oh, hila nang gitanggal. Tanawa guys. Wala na yung tubig, hila nang
Can we use
gitanggal.
the elevator?
Yes, we're gonna go. Oh, we've been there bo. Nara oh, pangbuhat og sarok. Kana oh.
I'm going down our elevator.
Nang li mi sa elevator guys, akong muscle mag-cringe. May nadyo ko'y kanang hadlok sa kanang height, so mangurog dahil
It's
ko.
going down there.
Ha?
It's going down there.
That's one.
Here, elevator.
Is that look scary ha?
Escalator. Let's go.
Kagoy bulak sa kong inahan. Daghan kaayo.
It's coming. It's coming. It's coming.
Tuloy to. Tingnan wala guys. Ay muog ka ng mga sarok o kanang talo ba?
Mom, now we can take it.
Okay. How? Let them out first. Let them out. Aww, look, the baby. She's crying. Okay, go.
Now can we go?
Yeah,
Yeah.
go, go. Okay, you go to the maybe number 2 ground. Okay, let's go. Let's ginaw ko kahadlok.
Oh my God.
Is that this floor? Where are we? Oh, they have a toy here. Is that in this floor? Oh, we did not find it. Oi. Okay, let's go. We need to find where is those things. We have to go home because Daddy is looking for us na. Dagan kay kabuda. Balik yun na siya ato iyahang kuanan. Asa naman to be? Oh, tanawa ka ba? O chuchig asa sa mo adto? Di chig ka paalkansi
It's
lagi.
metaphor.
Ah?
No, not one. It is metaphor.
Kaya din human anhita diri sa naibag ha?
First floor.
Eh?
This is the first floor now.
Butter.
Second floor. So upstairs is second floor.
Tanaw na siya. Oh. Kabaw na siya. Mo ni batang lagan. Kay sara ni Soroy, first time lang. Totoo din siya asa mo adto. Di jud ni paalkansi.
Mom,
Kisa lagan bo. Ha?